All right, this is going to be the geometry. We're working on ratio. So for this notebook, it's actually going to be our page 3. So we're talking about ratios. Now for this one right here, we're going to fill in the blanks for what we have. So a ratio is a comparison of two quantities. Ratio is a comparison of two quantities. I know there's no one in here that I have to tell about, earbuds in, because I know that they're listening right now, right? Okay, good. All right. 3 ways to represent ratio are, I'm going to write A over B. Wrong way. A to B and A with the word to instead. A to B. So this colon right here is going to be A to B, and it's actually means the exact same thing. So A over B could be also read as A to B. Now, ratios can be simplified. So if I start off with the ratio of 4 over 6, what does that reduce to? 2 over 3, very good. Now, what is the ratio of trumpets to violins? We have all this information over here. Trumpet, how many trumpets? How many trumpets are there? 40. Over, how many violins? 24. Does that reduce? Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me, what does it reduce to?
16.
5 and 3, yes, very good. So it's going to be 5 over 3. Good job. All right, so what is the ratio of flutes to clarinets? 51 over what? I think I hear 39. Okay, yes. Does that one reduce? I'm going to tell you yes by a factor of 3. What's it going to be, though?
The bottom is 13.
Bottom is 13.
And 6.
What is it?
6.
51 divided by 3 is not 6.
I didn't count
17, very good. 17, good job. All right, so I have 17 over 13, which that one reduces to. All right, let's take a look. What is the ratio of trombones to trumpets? How many trombones do I have? 16. How many trumpets?
40.
That reduces. 4 over 10. Does 4 over 10 reduce more?
Yes.
What do I get? 2 over 5. Very good. You guys are on a roll. Okay, what is the ratio of violins to total instruments? So violins is 24.
Everything equals 80, 12, 100, 140.
More than 140. Are you just guessing now?
No,
I'm disappointed. 170, yes.
Oh, frick.
170. Now, for this one, does it reduce? Now, you can tell, are they both even numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you could at least do it by 2, right? Okay, so let's try it by 2. What do we get? So it's 12 on top. What's on the bottom? 85. 12 over 85 right there. That one doesn't reduce anymore. Okay, so now we're going to actually use this information to find out the rest of this. So, the ratio of 2 complementary, what does complementary mean? Adds up to what? 90. Adds up to 90. So complementary means 90. And the angles, the ratio is 3 to 7. 3 to 7. So there's 3 in this group, 7 in this group. So how many in a total? 10. Very good. So watch this. 10x equals how much? Why 90? Very good, because it is complementary. All right, so now from here, what should I do? Very good, divide by 10. X is 9. Okay, so now I got x, find the measures of both angles. So it should be 3x plus 7x equals my 90, because that was my complementary. So 3 times 9? 27 plus 7 times 9? 63. Is that equal 90? Master, does it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so if this is equal to 90, then my two angles are going to be 27 degrees and 63 degrees. Now let's do this one over here. The ratio of the two supplementary angles. Now supplementary means what? 180. Very good. That one's 180. Now how many parts do I have? I heard it. 5, right? I have 4 in this group and 1 in this group. So it's 5 total. So it's going to be 5x equals. Very good. Divide by 5. X is what do we come up with?
36, sir.
36, very good. Okay, so now I have x, but I'm going to have to find the angles. So I'm going to write it out. So it's going to be 4x plus 1x equals 180. And I do my math. So it's going to be 4 times 36. 4 times 36.
144.
144. Plus,
36.
Alejandro, please sit up. 36, right? And that's equal to 180. So, if both those equal to 180, so this angle is going to be 144 degrees, and the other one's going to be 36 degrees. Are we okay here?
Yeah.
Really easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try a harder one. Now this one right here says the measures of a triangle. Now we know in a triangle the angles have to add up to how much? 180, very good. The measures have to add up to 180. So how many parts do I have here? How many?
Oh.
There's 4 there, there's 7 there, and there's 9 there. I heard it. 20, very good. So there's going to be 20 parts altogether because we have 3 different groups here. So it's going to be 20x equals how much? 180, because that's the angles of a triangle. Divide by 20. X is 9. Very good. So x is 9. So now let's go ahead and set it up like I did these other ones. 4x plus 7x plus 9x equals 180. 4 times 9?
36.
7 times 9?
63.
9 times 9?
81.
And they will add up together. All of them will add up to 180. So that means that my angles are going to be correct. So it's going to be 36 degrees, 63 degrees, 81 degrees are my three angles. Now, I'll let you guys do this one. This one's not looking for all three. It's only looking for the largest one. Okay, so which one would be the largest ratio? The 11 one, right? The 11. So once you find x, you're going to plug into there. All right, so let's go down to the next part here on proportions. Okay, it says proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. A proportion is written as A over B is equal to C over D. Cross products. When I multiply cross products, I multiply this way and this way. So it's A times D is equal to B times C. All right, let's try it out. So let's start off with this. 4 times 7 is going to give me, so 28 is equal to 2 times x. 2x, very good. So now, what do I do here?
Divide by 2.
Very good, divide by 2. X is 14. ¿Está muy fácil? Yes. All right, I'll let you try. Let's do a harder one then. So this one right here has a quantity on top. So when I do the cross products, I have to distribute into the parentheses. So I have to distribute that. So when I multiply this, it's going to be 19x minus 19. Because it's going to be 19 times x, then it's 19 times negative 1. So that's distributed there. Equals 6 times 3?
78.
78. Okay, what are we going to do to both sides?
Add 19.
Add 19. So 19x is equal to,
97.
divide both sides by 19. And x equals a fraction on this one because it doesn't come out right. 97 over 19. It doesn't reduce and it doesn't go in evenly, so we're just going to leave it as a fraction. So if you had your calculators, you would say x would be approximately 5.1. All right, so for you people, okay, for your guys' practice, okay, you're going to have on page 2 in your notebook, so you're going to do these problems over here. This is going to get taped into page 2, and I want you guys to finish from the notes. I want you guys to finish this problem, and this problem. Okay, I'm going to come around and help you guys as you need it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.